Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM and phone basics. Make sure the SIM is active and try it in another phone to isolate the card versus device. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and restart the Xiaomi to refresh radios. Make sure MIUI is up to date and backup contacts. Software updates often restore missing network drivers. Don't waste time. If the SIM is fine and reboot didn't help, move to settings next to force a reconnection. You now dig into settings and diagnostics to fix registration problems. First, force a manual network search and lock to your carrier. This helps if auto selection fails. Next, inspect APN entries and recreate them exactly per carrier instructions, then reset network settings to clear corrupted configs. Check MA with *#06# and compare baseband/build numbers in About Phone. Missing MA or an empty baseband points to modem firmware issues. If anything looks wrong, note it before proceeding to deeper recovery steps. You finish by restoring core software and ruling out hardware faults. Power off, remove and reset the SIM, then boot into safe mode to rule out apps. If still offline, back up data and do a factory reset. If that fails, reflash modem firmware via recovery or fast boot using Xiaomi tools. After reflash, test with a known working SIM. If network still missing, contact your carrier with the MA or go to an authorized service center. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.